Today, we're diving into one of the most insane and groundbreaking cars ever made, the 2026 Koenigsegg Gemera. Yes, it has 4 seats. Yes, it has cup holders. And yes, it also has 2,300 horsepower. This isn't your average hypercar. It's a megacar designed for the road, your family, and the future. Let's break it down. From the outside, the 2026 Gemera is unlike anything else on the road. The shape is smooth and sculpted, wrapped in Koenigsegg's signature aerodynamic design with aggressive air intakes, carbon fiber everywhere, and a low stance that looks like it's ready to break the sound barrier. The front LED light strip is sleek and futuristic, while the rear end is clean, no grille rods, just a full-width taillight bar, twin central exhausts, and an enormous carbon diffuser. But it's what's underneath that body that turns this from a supercar into a legend. Under the hood, well, not really under the hood, is a twin-turbocharged 5.0-liter V8 engine borrowed from the Koenigsegg Gemera. It's paired with a single, massive electric motor called dark matter. The combined output? A mind-bending 2,300 horsepower and 2,750 Newton-meters of torque. And it's all delivered through the revolutionary Lightspeed tourbillon transmission, which has no traditional gearbox and can skip between any gear instantly. 0 to 60 under 1.9 seconds. Top speed, well over 250 miles per hour in a 4-seater. Speaking of 4 seats, let's talk interior. This isn't some stripped-out race car. Inside the Gemera, you'll find 4 memory foam bucket seats, dual infotainment, screens, 8 cup holders, yes, 8 with both heating and cooling. There's also ambient lighting, a floating digital dash, and rear passenger displays. It's as luxurious as it is insane. And about those dihedral synchro helix doors, they're sculptural masterpieces. Fully automated, no B-pillar, and wide enough for rear passengers to enter without folding the seats. Koenigsegg thought of everything. This car also offers all-wheel drive, all-wheel steering, and torque vectoring, meaning despite its size and power, it handles with incredible precision. Only 300 units of the Gemera will be made, and as of 2026, production has begun with full focus on the V8 hybrid version. The original inline-3 TFG engine is no longer in production for this model. Koenigsegg doubled down on insanity, and we're here for it. So what do you call a car that's more powerful than a Bugatti, more practical than a Tesla, and more exclusive than a Rolls-Royce? Simple. You call it the 2026 Koenigsegg Gemera, the world's first true megacar for 4. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more insane reviews like this. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. Asterisk, and here's the craziest part. Despite its outrageous specs, the 2026 Gemera is also designed with sustainability in mind. It runs on renewable fuels like Gen 2 ethanol or CO-neutral methanol, meaning you get hypercar performance without the guilt. Koenigsegg isn't just redefining speed, they're redefining what the future of performance can be. So if you thought practical and powerful couldn't exist in the same sentence, think again. The Gemera is here to destroy every assumption you've had about what a car can do, and it does it while carrying your friends, your luggage, and your jaw that just hit the floor. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world's most extreme 4-seater, don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe to our channel for more groundbreaking car content. And share this video with someone who needs to see this masterpiece on wheels.